Are you struggling with TypeScript and the Mapbox-GL library? You're not alone. Today, we're diving into a common issue that many developers face when trying to set the access token. I totally get how frustrating it can be when your code just won't cooperate. You might be thinking, why can't I assign the access token? This is a common hurdle for many developers using TypeScript with Mapbox-GL. Here's the specific situation we're addressing. One user reported that when they tried to set the access token in their Mapbox-GL code, they received an error stating that they cannot assign to access token because it is a constant or a read-only property. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So what's going on here? The TypeScript compiler is throwing an error because it sees access token as a constant. But if you look at the type definitions, it seems assignable. Let's break this down to understand the root of the issue. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a quick tip that could save you from similar headaches in the future. To address the issue with the access token in the Mapbox-GL library, the user should first check the version of the library they are using. It's important to ensure compatibility between the library and the type definitions. Next, the user should verify that they are importing the Mapbox-GL library correctly. The import statement should match the library's documentation to avoid any issues. Now, the user can try to set the access token again. However, if the error persists, they might need to cast the Mapbox object to any type as a temporary workaround. Finally, the user should consider checking for updates or issues in the community forums or the GitHub repository for Mapbox-GL. This can provide insights into similar problems faced by other users. Fun fact, did you know that TypeScript was developed by Microsoft to help developers catch errors early? It's like having a safety net while coding. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution provided by another user suggests using a type assertion. You can cast Mapbox-GL to its own type and then assign the access token. This approach allows you to bypass the read-only error. Here's a pro tip. Always check the library documentation for the latest methods and properties. This can save you from running into these types of issues. And there you have it. With these insights, you should be able to tackle the access token assignment issue in Mapbox-GL. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more troubleshooting tips and tricks.